let's talk about the fantastic nutritional benefits of pumpkin leaves. Pumpkin leaves contains almost 5 times the iron content of cabbage. What? Oh my gosh! And pumpkin leaves contain almost 20 times the amount of vitamin A than cabbage. Wow. Please add pumpkin leaves immediately to your diet. Pumpkin leaves. Pumpkin leaves are rich in vitamins A and C. Now, vitamin A improves your eyesight and promotes healthy skin and hair. Vitamin C helps in healing your wounds and forming of scar tissue, as well as maintaining your healthy bones, skin, and teeth. Pumpkin leaves are also rich in calcium. They contain a high amount of calcium, which is crucial for healthy bones and teeth. Now, women especially, as we get older, we actually need more calcium to prevent osteoporosis and maintain strong bones. Some studies have shown that calcium may help to reduce the risk of heart failure. All right? Pumpkin leaves are also rich in iron and protein. Yes, you get protein also from pumpkin leaves. If you've been watching this channel, you know that I'm a huge cabbage girl. I love cabbage. Pumpkin leaves contains almost 5 times the iron content of cabbage. What? Oh my gosh! And pumpkin leaves contain almost 20 times the amount of vitamin A than cabbage. Wow. Please add pumpkin leaves immediately to your diet. Pumpkin leaves are also rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids and carotenoids. These antioxidants help to promote the body against cellular damage caused by harmful free radicals, which contribute to chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. So pumpkin leaves actually improves your body's defense mechanisms and promotes a long-term health. Pumpkin leaves are also anti-inflammatory. So inflammation is the foundation of disease, and it protects you against inflammation. So it protects you against diseases. And pumpkin leaves, as I mentioned, helps to regulate your weight, so it's wonderful for weight management. And it detoxifies your system. So pumpkin leaves contain chlorophyll that helps in elimination of toxins in your body. They also promote the liver's detoxification processes. So it's fantastic for your liver. Pumpkin leaves also provides minerals such as iron, calcium, potassium, which are so important for healthy bones, blood production, and a proper nerve function. Pumpkin leaves contain dietary fiber, and so this fiber content in the leaves help regulate bowel movements and aids in the absorption of nutrients. It also promotes a feeling of fullness, which can support healthy weight management. So this is something that I just noticed when I had my pumpkin leaf. So yummy, sauteed pumpkin leaf, so yummy. Yummy. Definitely do this recipe. is that I felt very full with a tiny portion of it. And I didn't even realize that it's a symptom of pumpkin leaves, that because it gets you full quickly, that it helps to regulate your weight. So this is even like absolutely better than I thought. Pumpkin leaves are the overshadowed vegetable, right? Pumpkin leaves have been overshadowed by so many other veggies, and we growing up eating pumpkin didn't know that we can have the leaves. That the leaves are absolutely fantastic, filled with vitamins and minerals, and are just so good for us, right? Pumpkin leaves are rich in vitamins and minerals that give the body wonderful functions. They are wonderful sources of vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin and promoting a strong immune system. They also help in promoting against oxidative stress. Now, these leaves are fibrous and they are high in iron, making them beneficial, super beneficial for your daily diet. Iron aids in helping the muscles to store and use oxygen. And it also helps in carrying oxygen from the lungs to other parts of the body. Women and children especially need to maintain healthy levels of iron, and pumpkin leaves provide this naturally. All right? You do not need to take iron supplements if you're having your pumpkin leaves, right? These leaves are also rich in protein. Yes, this is so exciting. Making these leaves an excellent supplement to enhance your daily requirement for protein. All right? So you vegans out there and you vegetarians, pumpkin leaves are wonderful to get some protein from. All right? And pumpkin leaves are believed to enhance lactation in nursing mothers, lowers cholesterol, and regulates blood sugar levels. So they're great also for diabetic folks and to prevent diabetes, okay? Because it regulates your blood sugar levels. Please add pumpkin leaves to your diet. We are missing out so much on this nutritional powerhouse of pumpkin leaves. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about pumpkin itself, which is a super food, please watch this video in the link below. Cheers to healthy living.